What's up, you guys, and welcome to 2021. First video of 2021, baby. Let's freaking do this thing. A long time ago during the middle of 2020, I did make a promise to my community when we actually would hit 500 subscribers on this YouTube channel. And not only did we do that, we exceeded it and ended the year over 600 subscribers. And that's all thanks to a lot of you guys. But the promise that I did make you guys, I do intend to keep. And that promise is that it would cosplay as Gundham Tanaka from Danganronpa 2. For an entire month of streams. So this video today that we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying out the cosplay that I had ordered over here and see exactly how everything all works, how it's going to fit and stuff, and what it's going to look like for an entire month of streams. But this is all special thanks to all of you guys. Thank you so much for hitting the button. It truly does mean a whole lot to me. And for everything that you guys have done throughout the year 2020, thank you from the bottom of my heart. So for those of you guys who are not familiar with the Danganronpa universe, Gundham Tanaka made his debut in the second game, Danganronpa 2, Goodbye Despair, and essentially he was dubbed of the Ultimate students as the Ultimate Breeder. So he's really good with training and breeding animals here and there, and it's one of those things where he has his 4 hamsters, which he has dubbed the 4 Dark Days of Destruction around him. I don't have the 4 Dark Days of Destruction, unfortunately, but at the same time we do have his outfit, which kind of goes into like a gothic emo type of style here and there, which is one that I gravitated to way in the beginning as soon as I started playing the game. So like the dark aesthetic and kind of the way that he carries himself throughout the game is something that I really just immediately latched onto, and it's one of those things where like right off the bat, I knew that this guy was going to be one of my favorite characters throughout the entire game, and he definitely was, and he definitely didn't disappoint for this one. And really quick, before we get into this, I mean, I know I got my hair pulled back here and there just because we're going to be doing a little bit of a makeup job, not really too much, but like just a little bit here and there to kind of get the eyeliner a little bit and kind of get a little bit of the scar type of thing that Gundam has and whatnot. But when we're going to be doing this is we're going to be kind of going over a lot of the different stuff that we got over here for the outfit, and we'll show you exactly like what I'm kind of doing with it and stuff, and see exactly what you guys can see about how I put this look together. Let's check it out. Okay, the first thing that I use is the Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow. Now I'm going to speed up this process here and there just to kind of give you guys a look for it. I'm not actually doing it this fast, but yeah, this is the first thing that goes on at least. And then next I'm going to apply the Rimmel London Scandalize eyeliner. This takes me way back to my emo days here and there when I was a teenager in the mid-2000s here and there. I actually used to apply this makeup here and there when we would go to rock concerts or something like that, so shout out to my memories from way back when, but also shout out to the British people for putting together some really good makeup. And as for the scarf for Gundham Tanaka, essentially I'm just breaking out the eyeshadow and just kind of going over the outline here and there, paying careful attention to Gundam's picture in order to make sure I get the entirety of the scar in the direction that it's in, right? But with this one, I mean, just kind of smear it on. I mean, you could probably do a couple of different things for prosthetics and stuff like that, but if you're kind of in a pinch or something, or you just wanted to save a little bit of money, you can just use eyeshadow, and just as long as you draw it effectively, it looks pretty good. Alright fam, let's check out this one over here. Now I know we've got his scarf to be sure, and that's one of the first things that comes out with this one. Let's learn how to fold this one around, how to make it look good and all the good stuff. We also have his belt, very, very nice, very, very cool. Let's see, what else do we got? Should have some pants, which is what we got over here. Okay, very, very cool. We've also got his shirt, which is pretty badass, I must say. And last but not least, we have his coat. Oh damn, this is gonna look cool, dude. So check out this coat. Holy crap, dude. Now again, it's supposed to be longer than his entire body. Well, not his entire body, but like come down to a certain point. But the mark of the ultimate animal breeder and all the good stuff. And we also have a very wonderful back piece to go along with it. We'll get into this one in just a moment. See you soon. And oh wait, I almost forgot. We also have his wig over here too, which I'm gonna have to see exactly if that can hold up over here. I got my hair back in a hat right now, but we're gonna see exactly if this actually holds out and whatnot. It should, but we'll have to see. And piece de la resistance. These two, combat boots and all the good stuff. Let's check this bad boy out over here really quick too. See you soon. What's up, people? How's everybody doing? Oh, wow. So in order to get the hair to spike up here and there like he has in the game and whatnot, I would have had to use a ton of hairspray, which I'm not exactly willing to do on the wig and stuff, but that's not too bad. What do you guys think about this one? Pretty cool, pretty snazzy if I do say so myself. Dude, love the attention to detail in this outfit, so freaking amazing. Dude. Give this one a good look. And again, hair kind of does its own thing for the most part, but yeah, I think we pulled this one off pretty well. I don't know, what do you guys think? Got the bandage over here too. Had to pull that one out of the medical cabinet and stuff like that, but we got it. Details matter, right guys? Oh damn, dude. That's not bad, people. But yes, this is for all of you guys. 500 subscribers, the whole best and all the good stuff. Chris Turgley Fair, if you're watching. You the freaking man, brother, dude. Seriously, let's go, dude. For 500 subscribers, hopefully 500 more and all the good stuff. We will see you guys soon in the next video. Truthfully, I did have a whole lot of fun putting this cosplay together. This is a special nod to one of my favorite characters from Danganronpa 2, and a huge thank you to everybody in the community who hit the subscribe button this past year in 2020. Thanks guys, I really do appreciate every single one of you. It's always that one hair. It's always that one hair that just kills me every single time. Alright, let's get a thumbnail photo done and shit.